Hi guys, welcome. Well, today we are going to look at how to prepare a breakfast recipe called cassava. You can call it an evening snack, maybe you can call it a daybreak snack, whatever you want. Guys, come join me as we do this. Right about now we are going to start with a mixture that we are going to use, and for that mixture I am going to need eggs. So I break my eggs. See, salt. I'm going to put in some salt. Measure using your eyes depending on what you are mixing. Thereafter I'm going to put in some curry powder. Don't put in so much, just a pinch to give color. It's enough. And right about now I'm going to put in some garlic powder. And a pinch, small pinch of black pepper. You mix very well. Well, at this point we can put in our flour, wheat flour. You can call it baking flour, whichever you want, until you make a good paste. Little by little, as you stir, until when it's somehow fluffy. Remove that middle thing. This you remove it. Please remove it out. Do not cook or fry with it. You can deal then with another cassava until when you feel that's enough for you. I can transfer this into our saucepan for washing. We can now wash our cassava. Wash it thoroughly. Well, you wouldn't love it to be having that taste with dirt on it. For this, wash our saucepan. Put it back into the saucepan. Don't throw the cassava, guys, it will become sour. It is believed to be so. So be careful. Now we can put in our water and we start boiling it. At this point, guys, we need to put in a pinch of salt as well. Remember, we put some salt into our paste or mixture that we did. So we are going to boil our cassava. Let's light our gas. Light up the gas. Put at maximum. Put on our cassava. We are going to cook it, boil it for around 5 to 8 minutes. Well guys, see that? Our 8 minutes are over. That is what we have. I'm going to rinse out the water or pour out the water, and then we go to another step of frying. At this point we can put on our pan because we are getting ready for deep frying. The pan is ready. We can now pour in our oil. This is our cassava. I've poured the water out. Now we bring our mixture or our paste closer. We start dipping into you see our paste as we put or dip into the pan. Well guys, because the cooking oil is hot now, it's ready. Don't put in when it's not yet hot. You can choose to just pour on top, but I'll do this. We can now transfer into our pan one by one. Be careful not to burn yourself, guys. Remember the oil is hot. See that, guys? One by one. You keep turning our cassava. Don't let it burn, please. Keep turning. Keep turning. When it turns that golden, goldish, then you know it's ready, guys. Guys, when it turns that brownish, you know it is ready. Then you can put it out nice and slowly. Rinse out the cooking oil properly, guys. Guys, look at this, guys. Look at that. Our cassava is ready to enjoy. Looks yummy. Very tasty. Well guys, for more of my fun cooking videos, please endeavor to always like, subscribe and hit the bell button to always be notified of when I upload new videos. Keep in. Thank you guys. Bye bye.